Oh my gosh, I am so excited to share that my buyer clients last week went under contract in this fabulous brand new community. And they are moving in 30 days and they just can't wait. So let me tell you about this place. It's in Stanley, North Carolina. Nope, not Stanley County. It's not that far. It is about 20-ish minutes from the airport. It's right by the Whitewater Center. It's close to Mount Holly and Belmont. And these homes are just fabulous. They do have some homes that are priced right under 400 and some that are a smidgen over 400. Well, but those are the details. But the details on their buy is I was able to get them $18,000 in closing costs, a washer, a dryer. I got the builder to throw in a fridge and blinds on every window. So they are ecstatic. If you're interested in coming to see this community, let me know because I am going to be doing an open house in one of their gorgeous models on Saturday, March 23rd from 12 to 2. Just message me and I'll get you all the details. Hope to see you out there. And bring a friend. These homes are just the best.